Hiya everyone, now I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. This was sent, she doesn't want to be named, but she's a lovely friend on Instagram, and it's a FedEx package. This has come from New York City. I love New York and I hope I get to go again. It's funny because the last time I was in New York, I was with my ex at the time because we were over there doing the makeup line, and there was just a funny feel, and we both said to each other, there's just a feeling that we know we're not going to be coming back here again in a hurry. It was a really sad day and it was really strange, but I always want to go back over there. I love New York, it's magical, there's no place like it in the world, and it's exactly how it feels on the telly and all the movies, and it's one of my favourite places to be. So I love the fact that this has come from New York. It's special. I'm going to open it up now. It doesn't want to be named, it's such a shame. But you know who you are, and I'm really over the moon to have you send this. So I'm opening it up now. There's a packaging, a plum packaging. I've got another package inside. I have to not get in and get that safe. I'll put that there. Oh wow! Right, this is exciting. So I've got a little letter. I can read it out because she doesn't want to name what anyway. Hiya Lauren, I hope you find the included bits helpful and fun. I love the funny looks and charming outfits of the day you used to do once in a while. To be honest, I don't care what you're doing because it's just a delight to watch you interact. It's your demeanour that makes people love you. Oh, couldn't be more thrilled that you're back. I got tired of rewatching the videos from 10 years ago. Oh, bless you. That is so gorgeous. Oh, thank you. That is lovely. I keep all the letters, by the way, and that's another thing. I've kept everything from like years ago. Every piece of media I've been in, I've kept all the if I've been on telly, radio, I've kept it all on a DVD. My ex did see to it all, and he made sure that everything got saved, which I'm really grateful for, because there was that much happening at the time that you just, your head's in a spin. But I kept all the Guardian columns that I was in. Like, there's just a stack of me beauty column, because we used to get it every week in the Guardian. I kept all that. I've got all my newspaper articles, all my magazine clip bits, my stories, every single bit. I've got a book which, when I did a Waterstones book signing, and lots of people turned up, and I got you all to sign my book while I signed the book you bought from us, which was just, oh, I love things like that. And I've kept that book with all your little notes in, and every time I went, when I did all the Sephora meet and greets, I kept all the notes, the treasury bits, and everything that I've been given. I kept all. So I might do a video. It's all in the attic in boxes, but I'll get it all down and I'll do a video one day if you want. Let us know if you want to see it though. I don't want to bore you with it, but it means a lot to me, and I'm probably going to get really emotional when I go through it all, because obviously it's huge. But if you want to see it all, I'll get it out and I'll show you. Yeah, it'll be a blast from the past. Oh wow! Right, I'm back in the thing. I'm back in the tub. This is lovely. This is Jeffree Star Skin Frost. I've never had highlighting. Ooh, Dark Horse. We've got this. Let's have a look. I've never. Ooh, oh, I know. I like that. That is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, thank you. I want to see your name, but I can't. I can't. It's just lovely. Isn't that lovely? That is lovely. Thank you. And I've got, oh, another one. This is another one. Skin Frost. Which colour is this one? Have a look. This one is Regina George. Let's have a look. Oh, look at this. That's not high. That's like more of a, what is it, like a beauty blush? Look at the colour of that. That is going to be so cool to wear. Let's have a look. It's actually quite pale. It looks sparkly, but it's not. So you really could get a good blush out of that without it going too much. I like that. Okay. Oh, I've got a beauty blender. I love beauty blenders at the minute. Wet, squeeze and bounce. This is something I've been playing with really loads lately, so that is excellent. That's going to come in massively handy, because this one is been in the wash and it's starting to look a bit aged. What we got here? Oh, lovely. We've got a little bag of things. Let's have a look. For Too Faced. What is it? Translucent pressed powder with vitamin A. Ooh. Oh, I like that. It's got a little sponge underneath and all, so I can pop my powder on. I keep all my foundation in place. I've not really had a lot of Too Faced products, so I'm looking forward to playing with that. Really am looking forward to that. Oh, Urban Decay Yeo. Now what is this? Oh right, so it's like a frosty eyeshadow. I've got the pen. Is it Urban Decay? Yes it is. Yeo. Hang on, that's not, it's gone on my hand a bit. Careful, it's very dusty. Lovely that. So I can use that as an eyeshadow. That would be ideal. Actually, can you see? I've just double jointed myself. If you put that on with just like a normal line and a bit of mascara, that would be gorgeous. Oh, I like that. That's beautiful. What else we got? We've got a Kiehl's Deluxe Hand and Body Lotion in grapefruit. Grapefruit is my favourite fruit. So I've got that. I can't wait to use that. My hands are terrible where work. We lifting tiles all the time. They go dead dry and I'm full of cuts. Look, I've got all the way up my arm off lifting stuff. Horrible. Look at all of that. And then we've got green tea blotting linens. Now you're going to help us out with this. Is this to blot your makeup? Oh yeah, right. Instantly blot away excess oil and perspiration without disturbing your makeup. Never used these before. Perfect for lipstick. Ah, they go in my bag. Always need stuff like that for my lipstick. Let's have a look. We've got a little double wear primer sample thing here. Look, instant glow. 3-minute beauty technique. I look forward to trying that. This is how I find out what I like with the samples. It's got light, medium and medium, and an illuminating perfecting primer. I'm looking forward to playing around with that. I'll have a go. Oh wow. So I've got an eyeshadow here. Hang on, I'll get it out. It's called Chronic by Urban Decay. Got to swatch this on camera for you. This is lovely. Ooh, I don't have a green by Urban Decay. Or do I? Might do in a palette with like ultra weird colours in. Look, that's brilliant. Oh, and it goes on really nice as well. It's like a light matte green. You know me for my greens. I love. Oh, someone's having a look in. Shall I wave? Oh no, I best not. I best not, because they might come back and have a look. I'll not do that. I'm looking forward to playing with that green. And Jones. Oh. Right. This is beautiful. Look at that. That is gorgeous. It's like a, oh, that is really nice. It's like a coppery melon colour. Look. Isn't that lovely? Them two colours will go nice together actually. I'm thinking of a Lucky Dip. Oh, MAC Pigment. English Gilt. Oh, I like that. That's beautiful. Look at that. These are these the new pigments? Like, don't laugh. I haven't used, oh no. That's the old one, isn't it? No. I've got the old big pigments. But yeah, these must be the new packaging. I've never had the new packaging pigments before. Just got all the old ones. So I can't wait to play with that, and that is a really lovely colour. I love that. What we got? Oh, brilliant. Kiehl's Lip Balm. I love this. I used to have this years ago. Mine went off. It went in the bin. So I'm looking forward to that, because my lips get hot, really cracked. Especially where I work. Tile dust, dry, horrible air conditioning. Put a lid on it. Eyelid primer. Oh, little mini eyelid primer there, the balm. Can't have enough primer. I'm going through it like I don't know what lately to get all my makeup on. Ooh, Coke, oh, blue brown. Look, I remember that. MAC blue brown pigment. Anyone remember that? Love the colour. That one and green brown were one of my favourites at the time. I love this colour. Thank you. Oh, I got a little NYX. Ooh, I like that. This is so cute. NYX Smoky Mountain. That is lovely. So I'll do a swatch. Oh, that's nice. It's like it's black with gold through it. That's really lovely, that. And then we've got Dramatic Chrome Eyeshadow Pigment NYX. Chaotic, number 3. It's like a blue. Don't know if the lid's off. Can we get in? Oh, this is really pigmented. Hang on, I don't want to drop that. So I'll put a bit of that on me. Wow, that's gonna go all over, so be careful if you have this. Yeah, put that on the back of my hand. Some lovely colours there to play with. And I can put all these in, I need to file it all and put it in like little containers so that I can get at it and do lucky dips for you with it all. Because there's so much here. There's something else in here. What is it? Oh, what's that? Deep Conditioned Skin Hydrate Oh, it's another one of the masks. Oh, brilliant. Look at them. I absolutely love these at the minute. They look horrific when you've got them on, but they're so funny and they feel amazing. So I can't wait to have fun with them because I think I've only got one left out of the boxes. So that's brilliant. And then, oh, look at this. This is lovely. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at it. 2020. A little diary. Isn't that beautiful? That is so pretty. That is so me as well. If I was going to get a diary, I would go for something like that with the colours because I love flowery and gold and black. I love that. I've got to open it. I love diaries. Absolutely love them. And I don't have anything like this at the minute. I bought a file with but it was more like a big notepad. And this is brilliant. Oh, so it's got me little personal information and notes. I love that. That is lovely. I love things like this. It's so thoughtful. Thank you. You know who you are. I've got your name on the tip of my tongue. I'm trying not to say your name. Don't want to be mentioned. But this is lovely. Thank you so much. Really, really appreciate it. And I know you're also on Patreon as well, so I need to get something on there really badly actually because I'm not sure what to put on it, but I've been trying to get my YouTube channel back up and running and put a lot of videos on here, but I need to do something on Patreon as well. But I really, really hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope I do something nice. I hope I do you proud with using your products, because I always hope that after you've sent something and that you want to see something nice out of it. So I'll come up with a nice look out of that lot. Yeah. Oh, hey, thank you very much. This is lovely. Yeah, thank you. Right, I shall see you on a bit. Zoom, zoom.